So in this problem, we have been given two terms. The first one is 1.005 raised to the power 200 and the second term is 2. And then we have to find which one is greater. So among these two terms, which term is the larger? So how you will proceed this problem? Now see, we have 1.005. This can be written as 1 plus 0.005 and 0.005 can be written as 1 by 200. So this means now the initial number, that is 1.005 raised to the power 200 is same as 1 plus 1 by 200 raised to the power 5. Raised to the power 200. Sorry. So this is raised to the power 200. Now I can expand this term. So we have 1 plus 1 by 200 raised to the power 200. This means basically I have to multiply this term 200 times. So what we will have? We will have 1 plus 1 by 200 first time, 1 plus 1 by 200 second time, 1 plus 1 by 200 third time, and this will go on, and this is just before the last term, that is 1 plus 1 by 200, and this is last term 1 plus 1 by 200. So how many times we are multiplying? So you see from here to here we are multiplying 200 times. So this is 200 times we have multiplied. So there are 200 numbers or 200 terms. So this is first term, this is first term, second term, third term, and this will be 200th term. Now let us consider the second number, that is 2. Now I want to convert 2 also in 200 times. This means I should have an expansion so that 2 will also have 200 terms. So how we can do that? So 2 can be written as 400 divided by 200. But this has only one term. I want to convert this into 200 terms. So this means what I want to write this as a product of this into this into this, and then this will go on, and then I should have total number of terms in this case should also have 200. So I want 200 terms. So how we can do that? So let us say I have 200 here and finally I have 400 here. So what I will do is I will introduce 201 here. So I will multiply and I will divide by 201. Similarly again I will multiply by 202 and I will divide by 202. 203 and then here it will come 203. So now this will go on. So finally here you will have 399 and this will be 399 and here you will have 398. So you see in this case what will happen? This term will cancel, this term will cancel, this term will cancel, and then this term will cancel, this term will cancel. So all the term will cancel. Then finally effectively I have 400 divided by 200, that is this term 400 divided by 200, that is 2. So effectively I have 2, but now I have expanded into different form. Now in this case also we have 200 terms, you can count. So this term is the last term. So if you see, if you just subtract 399 minus 200, that will give you 199. But the number of terms will start from 200, so I have to also count 200. So basically total number of terms will be 200. So the difference plus 1, that will be the number of terms. So if you want to count the number of terms, you know the first number, you know the last number. So number of terms will be last number minus first number plus 1, that is difference plus 1, and in this case you have consecutive numbers. Now let us further expand this thing. So I have the first term is 201 by 200. So 200, so let me write again. So this is 201 divided by 200 and this is 202 divided by 201 and this is 203 divided by 202 and this goes on and this is 399 divided by 398 and this multiplied by 400 divided by 399. So this we have. So now I can rewrite this term also. This can be written as 1 plus 1 by 200. And this term can be written as 1 plus 1 by 201. This can be written as 1 plus 1 by 202. Similarly, this term can be written as 1 plus 1 by 398 and this is 1 plus 1 by 399. Now let us compare. So we want to compare that 1.005 raised to the power 200, that is 1 plus 1 by 200 raised to the power 200 with 2. Now we have the expansion. The first term in both expansion is same, 1 plus 1 by 200 here and here also I have 1 plus 1 by 200. But the second term, in this case the second term is 1 plus 1 by 200 but here I have 1 plus 1 by 201. So which number is greater? 1. So I am asking 1 by 200 is greater or 1 by 201 is greater? Of course, 1 by 200 is a greater number because denominator is smaller. So you are dividing by a smaller number. So this number will be a bigger number. And here you are dividing by a bigger number. So this number will be a smaller number. So this means this term is a bigger term. And this term is a smaller term. Same with this 1 by 202, 1 plus 1 by 202 and 1 plus 1 by 200. Which is greater? Of course, in this case again, this term is greater because 1 by 200 is greater than 1 by 202. So 1 by 200 is greater than 1 by 202. So this term is greater. This means in the expansion of this, each term is greater. So this term is greater. This last term is also greater. So last term here I have 1 plus 1 by 399. And then here I have 1 plus 1 by 200. 1 by 200 is greater than 1 by 399 because I am dividing a smaller number. So the effect is bigger and here I am dividing by a bigger number. So the effectively it is a smaller. So this means in this case each number is a bigger number compared to the next case. So this means if I multiply, keep multiplying because all numbers are greater than 1. Because 1 plus something. So this all number is greater than 1 and if you multiply all these numbers then you will get greater number. So this means multiplication of these numbers are smaller compared to multiplication of these numbers. So in this way we can say that this number is larger than the 2. So now I can say 1 plus 1 by 200 raised to the power 200 is greater than 2 and in other word I can say 1.005 raised to the power 200 and this is greater than 2. So I hope you enjoyed this video and if you enjoy please share with your friends, like to this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.